Hi everyone, myself is Kantaraj HD, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Government First Grade College Format, Kerala. In this session, we are going to discuss on a matrix related to linear transformation, under that change of basis of matrix. Change of basis matrix. So let's see what is meant by change of basis matrix. Suppose a vector space capital V has two set of bases, say b1 as alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma and so on, alpha n, and b2 as set of alpha, sorry, beta 1 comma beta 2 comma and so on, beta n. Since V is having n dimension, the number of elements in B1 and B2 are equal. Therefore, alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n. There also we have n elements, beta 1, beta 2 and so on. Beta n, here also we have n elements. Since beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3 and so on, beta n belongs to capital V and B1 as its basis. So, first ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೀಟಾ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. B1 is a basis of B. Then beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 and so on beta n are expressed as a linear combination of basis b1. ಸೊ ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ b1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ beta 1 as a1 1 alpha 1 plus a1 2 alpha 2 plus and so on a1n alpha n. Similarly, beta 2 is equals to a21 alpha 1 plus a22 alpha 2 and so on a2n alpha n. Continuing this, beta n also expressed as a linear combination as a n1 alpha 1 and so on a n n alpha n. Then the transpose of coefficient matrix of above equation we called as a change of basis matrix. A change of basis matrix, or we called it as a transition matrix. Let capital P be a transition matrix from change of basis B1 into B2 and capital QB transition matrix from change of basis B2 into B1. Then we have the relation P is equals to Q inverse. Then we have the relation between those two matrices as P in equals Q inverse. Let's see the one example on that. Let capital B1 equals alpha 1 comma alpha 2, which is nothing but a set of 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma 1, and beta 2 equals beta 1 comma beta 2, where beta 1 is 2 comma minus 3, beta 2 equals 3 comma 3, be two bases of R2. Find the transition matrix P from B1 to the basis B2. Here we have to express a B1 element of B2 as a linear combination of B1 to get the coefficient matrix. To get the coefficient matrix, we need to express B2 ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ B1 ನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ B1, they given 1 minus 1 comma 1 1, and B2 equals 2 minus 3 comma 3 3. Then we have to express element of a B2 in terms of linear combination of B1. Therefore I take 2 comma minus 3 is equals to A1 into 1 comma minus 1 plus A2 into 1 comma 1, which is equals to A1 plus A2 comma minus A1 plus A2, which implies that we have a system of two equations, that is A1 plus A2 is equals to 2 and minus A1 plus A2 is equals to minus 3, which implies that add these two equations we get 2A2 is equals to minus 1, which implies that A2 value is minus 1 by 2. Substitute A2 value in first equation, that is A1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2, which implies that A1 equals 2 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. Similarly, take second element of B2, that is 3 comma 3, which is equals to A1 times of 1 comma minus 1. If you get confused with A1, instead of A1 you may take it as B1 plus B2 times of 1 comma 1, which is equals to B1 plus B2 minus B1 plus B2, which gives us a equation, that is B1 plus B2 is equals to 3 minus B1 plus B2 is equals to 3, which implies that, which gives the values B2 as 3 and B1 as 0. Then the transition matrix capital P is equals to A1, A2, B1, B2. Substitute the value of A1, A2 and B1, B2. A1 value is, it is 3 by 2 and A2 value is minus 1 by 2. B1 value is 0 and B2 value is 3. This completes the solution. Let's see the another problem, that is let B1 equals 1 comma 2 3 comma 5 and B2 equals 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. Find the change of basis matrix Q from B2 to B1, capital P from B1 to B2, also show that P is equals to Q inverse. So we need to find the two transition matrix, that is P and Q. P is from B1 into B2, Q from B2 to B1. First we need to find P, that is to find P from basis B1 to B2. So to find P, we need to express element of a B2 into a linear combination of B1. That is 1 comma minus 1 is equals to A into 1 comma 2 plus B into 3 comma 5, which is equals to 1 comma minus 1 is equals to A plus 3B comma 2A plus 5B, which implies that A plus 3B is equals to 1 and 2A plus 5B is equals to minus 1. Now we have to simplify these two equations to find the value of A and B. So I multiply above equation with 2, that is 2A plus 6B is equals to 2 and 2A plus 5B is equals to minus 1. Subtract these two equations, we get this one get cancelled. Here we have 1B, here we have equals 3. That means B value equals 3, which implies that A is equals to minus 8. B, since B is equal to 3, we get the value of A is equal to 8 by substituting B value in either this equation or this equation. Similarly, come to the second element, that is 1 comma minus 2 is equals to C into 1 comma 2 plus B D into 3 comma 5, which is equals to 1 comma minus 2 is equals to C plus 3D comma 2C plus 5D. So equate component wise, that means coordinate wise, we get a system of equation, that is C plus 3D is equals to 1 and 2C plus 5D is equals to minus 2. Again, as we did in previous step, multiply first equation with 2, we get 2C plus 6D is equals to 2 and 2C plus 5D is equals to minus 2. Subtract these two equations, first term get cancelled, we remain with 1D is equals to 4. Since D is equal to 4, we have the value of C is equals to minus 11. We have the value of C is equals to minus 11. Therefore, matrix P is equals to A value is minus 8 and B value is 3 and C value is minus 11 and D value is 4. Next, we need to find the transition. To find a transition matrix Q from B2 into B2 to B1, B2 to B1. That means here we have to express the elements of B1 into a linear combination of B2. So B2 value is set of 1 minus 1 comma 1 minus 2 and B1 is 1, 2, 3, 5. Therefore, we have to express this element as a linear combination of this. Therefore, I take 1, 2 is equals to A into 1, minus 1 plus B into 1, minus 2, which is equals to A plus B, minus A minus 2B, which implies that A plus B equals 1 and minus A minus 2B is equals to 2. Add these two equations, we get A get cancelled, then minus B is equals to 3, which implies that B value is minus 3. Since B value is minus 3, the value of A is equals to 4. Value of A is equals to 4. Next come to the second element, that is 3, 5 equals C into 1, minus 1 plus D into 1, minus 2. 3, 5 is equals to C plus D, minus C minus 2D. So, comparing the coordinates, we have C plus D is equals to 3 minus C minus 2D is equals to 5. Add these two equations, we have minus D is equals to 8, implies that D value is minus 8, which implies that the value of C is equals to 11. Therefore, the transition matrix Q is equals to A value is 4 and B value is minus 3, C value is 11, D value is minus 8. But the Q inverse is equals to minus 8 minus 11, 3 and 4, which implies that P is equals to Q inverse. This completes the solution.